Hello folks, today we're going to make is a nice wee chicken madras. This is a nice quick simple wee recipe and very quick dish to make. First of all, we're going to show you my ingredients. We've got garlic, onions, ginger and chilli. Let's get into a processor to make a wee paste. We've got chicken stock and chopped tomatoes. We've got our 5 herbs or 5 spices. We've got coriander, turmeric, cumin, curry powder and chili powder. Chicken's all ready to go. Got our coriander, fresh coriander chopped. It's ready to go, and that's us. So first of all, we're going to make a paste. So say this is dead easy. It just takes a majority of the time just to prep. So we got our onions and our chili and our ginger and our garlic all into the processor. And we're going to blitz those up into a wee paste. Give it. Give it a wee shake, give it a wee stir. It smells amazing. Another wee blast. That's that ready. Yeah, there's our wee paste ready to go. We've got our pan on the heat. We're going to add in our paste. I'm going to pan fry this a few minutes just to cook the onion and the garlic, get the flavours going, turn up the heat a wee bit. Now we're going to add our spices. So we've got turmeric, cumin, curry powder, coriander and chili powder. You can add as little chili powder as you like. This is a teaspoon. You can add half a teaspoon if you don't like it really spicy. This madras is a spicy wee number. It's similar to jalfrezi, only but it's a wee bit spicier. We get our spices in there, add it to our paste. We're just cooking our spices out a wee bit, just to get the aroma from the spices added. And stick in the pan, just add a wee bit of your chicken stock, just a wee bit, just to take it right in the pan. Next we're going to add in is our chicken fillets. As I said before, I prefer to cut my chicken into strips. It's far easier to cook and it's nicer than big chunks. But it's entirely up to yourself. So give a chicken a wee toss through the spices and try and coat them off while they're cooking it as well. This is a quick wee dish. You can get this sorted 15-20 minutes and then it cooks for 30 when you add all your chicken stock and your tomatoes. So that's the majority of our chicken covered. You can cook yours a wee bit longer. Just get it all cooked in the outside. I'm just going to add chicken stock. Get out all this wee paste mixed into the stock. Once it's well mixed, now we're going to add our chopped tomatoes. Give it a wee stir in. So that's all mixed in now. We're going to let that sit in the pan and we're going to put it on the simmer for the next 30 minutes. Okay folks, after 30 minutes that's our curry ready. Our spices are cooked out, our chicken's cooked, and our sauce is ready. I'm going to add a sprinkle of fresh coriander. Give it a wee stir in. Turn off our heat. Put some rice into our bowl. That off. And our spoon. Spoon on our curry. Now if that was too hot for you, you can add some Greek yogurt to it just to cool it down a wee bit, just a wee spoonful on the top. And that is our chicken madras. Thank you very much. Bye bye bye.